So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and bring in this object. And let's just go around over here and bring in this object as well, just like this, and keep them on top of one another. So similarly, I can go around over here and bring in another object right here. And you can see that they are in a particular order, meaning the house is on the top and this arrow is on the bottom, as you can see right there. Let me just go around and bring in this shape over here, just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can see that they are in order right here, just like this. So now let's say I want this object on the top. That is, I want it to be on the frontmost area. So what I can do over here is change around its position right here. And that also means that we're going to work around with the layer arrangement. So for that, you can go around and click on move layer. And if you were to click on bring forward, let's say for example right here, it comes one step forward right here. Similarly, you can go around over here and bring it one step forward over here by clicking on bring forward. You can also press the large bracket keys right here, as you can see, and control large bracket keys as shortcuts right here to do the process more quickly. You can go around and send it backward right here or forward right here. But if you want to go around and send it to the backmost area, then you can go around and click on send to back. Or if you want to bring it to the frontmost area, then you can click on bring to front. So just like this, you can go around and work around with these objects right here and change around its position to arrange it so that certain objects are right on the front and certain objects are at the back. So if I were to go around over here and right click, then you see the same option over here as well, like bring to front. So this is what you have right here. You can go around and send to back right here, or you can go around, bring it one step forward, or send something one step backward as well, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the layer arrangement option inside of Vista Create projects. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.